Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can transfer airtime to MTN number. How you can transfer airtime to MTN number. Or how you can transfer airtime to MTN number. Alright, so in case this is your first time of watching this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share for more amazing videos. Next video, I'll make a tutorial on how you can browse for free. Without wasting my time, let's dive into this process. So just dial this code. Then you dial, just enter this code, then you dial. Alright, so in case it's your first time of using this, you have to activate. Yes, you have to activate, then you choose a pin. Alright, so let me just click on activate to show you how it works. So you have to enter your new pin, then you re-enter or you confirmed. Alright, so you have to first activate your pin. Alright, so let me dial the code again. *198#. Alright, then okay, so after you have activated your pin, just click on transfer. Just click on 2. Alright, so let me tap on 2. Okay, so enter receiver number. Alright, so just enter the number you want to receive the airtime on, the number you want to transfer your airtime to. Alright, then you send. Okay, so then you enter the number. Here is very crucial stage. Alright, so make sure you enter. Let's say you want to send an airtime of 1 cedi to another number. You first have to enter 1. Alright, or if it's 0.50 pesos airtime, you have to enter 0 first. Alright, so let's say 1 cedi. I'm transferring 1 cedi to my different number. So just click on send. Alright, then you enter the decimal. Is 0. If it's 1 cedi 50 pesos, you are going to enter 50. If it's 1 cedi 70 pesos, you are going to enter 70. Alright, so let me enter 5. Let me enter 0 because I'm sending 1 cedi, only 1 cedi. Alright, so just enter 0. Alright, then you enter your pin here. Alright, so when you enter your pin, then you enter 1 to confirm, 2 to reject. Alright, so let me enter 1. Alright, so you have successfully transferred 1 cedi to this. Alright, so this is how you transfer airtime to MTN number. So in my next tutorial, I will make a video on how you can browse for free on internet for free. Alright, so this is the message. Now I have successfully transferred 1 cedi airtime to this number. You have successfully transferred 1 cedi to this one. Alright, so this is how we transfer airtime on MTN to MTN number. In case it's your first time of watching this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share for more amazing videos. In my next video, I'll make a tutorial on how you can browse for free without paying anything. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, comment and share for more amazing videos. See you in my next video.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you.